Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How to run your first PHP program. For that we need to install Xampp server in Sublime text. Xampp server to install, open your browser, write Xampp server in a Google and click on the first link apachefriends.org and download any of these versions. 7.2.31 is the latest version of PHP. Download it in 64-bit and for Sublime text, write Sublime text 3 is the latest version of Sublime text. So click on the first link which showed is sublimetext.com and download 64-bit Sublime text or Windows portable Sublime text for Linux and so on. Download any of these versions. I already download the Xampp server and Sublime text. So in order to install the Sublime text, just click on the setup. This is the Sublime, this is the Xampp server. Double click on it and yes, asking for installation. I already installed the Xampp server in Sublime text. I'm just showing you how to install Xampp server in your computer. Now it show you this error, but it does not make any sense. Welcome to the Xampp setup wizard. Click on next. These are the things which server is going to install: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, FTP server, Mercury mail server, and Tomcat. You only need Apache and MySQL for the PHP, but it does not take any of the space in your computer. Next, it will be installed in C Xampp. Xampp will be the folder in the C drive. When you next, then the installation will begin. But I already installed the Xampp server, so I'm going to quit it. For Sublime text, just only double click on it and it is going to install the Sublime text. Now when you install both of these programs, how to run your first PHP program? For this, open your open your My Computer C drive, and then this is the Xampp server install. Open the Xampp app, then HD document will contain all your programs. For this you need to create a folder. I already create my project as a folder. There you are going to store your all programs. For example, now I'm going to open the Sublime text. Sublime text, I already installed the Sublime text. Sublime text 3. So open your Sublime text, save new file and save it. Show that you need to download, save this file in Xampp HDK HD document my project, and save the file, suppose my first program.php, and save. It is going to save my first program.php. Now write your code in here, HTML. So HTML is necessary for PHP. It is the prerequisite. You need to know about the HTML code. So this is the HTML header and title. I am going to write my first program. This is the title, which will appear like this, my first program. Here it will be appear. In a body, you need to write a PHP script. For PHP, you need to write angle sign, question mark, and then PHP, then question mark in angle sign. It will be the close of PHP script. Within this, you need to I am going to print a message like this is my first program. It will print the message in a normal text. If I'm going to write it in heading 1, so it will be print like large font and heading 1 and slash. It is the end of it is just a simple program which show my first program is a title, and within the page it will show this is my first program. Just save this and open your browser. Like I already open it. Go to for this we need to start our Xampp server first. So open your Xampp control panel, and then is the Apache. Click on start. It is going to start the Apache server. So it is started with port 80. Just now open your browser and write localhost slash my project is the folder where I store my first program. This is going to open localhost my project, and you see that my first program .php is already appeared. Click on this program. This is my first program. We write this script, and if you my first program is the title of the page. This is the title of the page, my first program. I am going to add something like my first program of PHP. Now save the and add something like this, new paragraph echo. We used echo or print. Both are used to print a message on the screen. Print paragraph. This is the tag of HTML h1. These are the tags of the HTML. Write your description of your page and save the program. The same I'm going to update the same my first program.php. Now just refresh it. It is going to change from my first program of PHP, and this is my first program, and write your description of your program. So this is how you are going to write your first program in PHP. Just install the Xampp server. Sublime text is the well-known text editor for PHP, and then create a folder in Xampp HD document and any of the folder like my project, and save all your programs in that folder. And then these are the things you need to know about how to write your first program.